This is the iPhone 17e 1 month review. I have somewhat abused this phone, but I have not abused this phone enough. When it comes to the camera, I have not downloaded any other apps. I have just been using the regular camera app, but I have not been abusing it enough because I forgot to buy my Beyblades. I forgot to show you spinning tops. I forgot to buy a piece of artwork known as an anime figurine to actually show you how good it can be because I just forgot. I've dunked this phone into water. I've let it have water poured on for about 10 to 15 seconds. I have dropped this phone 1 to 2 feet in multiple directions. And what I can tell you is that this phone is a phone that is sturdy. But here's my biggest problem when it comes to this device. It can game, but because of how small this device is, spreading out the heat will be very difficult for the phone. So your phone is going to get super hot. And because it's going to get super hot, oh man, I hope you can have your fingers in the next year because man, it's going to be burned off. I am also very upset at Siri. Siri is a very bad girl when you're trying to use her for AI capabilities. She cannot hold a conversation, unlike Google. Google, you can have a conversation with it, but with Siri, if you ask it very minute and very detailed questions, it's like, use ChatGPT. No, I don't want to use ChatGPT. I bought this device so I can use it for some AI features. Actually, I didn't. But, AI is so deep into the system that we cannot escape it, no matter what we do. Trust me. It can run Call of Duty mobile really well, and it can run this easy delivery game that I use pretty well as well. It's a very blocky game, kind of like Roblox, but it's a little bit more upscaled than Roblox. But also, speaking of Roblox, you can play Roblox on this device too, and it only gets hot occasionally. Coming back to the photos and videos, the single camera is pretty bad until you unlock it. You actually only get 24 megapixels out of the box, and you have to use some type of setting to turn on full 48 megapixel for your device, which is really bad. But once you unlock it and you get the full 48, it actually looks pretty good. I will show you a few photos that I've taken and a few videos that I've taken, just in case you think you want to be a YouTuber and buy this phone. Now, if I compare it to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, here's where the biggest problem is. I personally think the iPhone 14 Pro Max is an upgrade to the iPhone 17e in a few ways. For example, the iPhone 17e has a good battery and has good fast charging, but the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the one that I am using currently to record most of this video, has a way better battery than the iPhone 17e. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is also pretty darn good because since it uses the older charging port, it has a lot less use for a lot of people. So if you don't mind having an extra cord or two along your travels, then yes, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is even better because you can get a 1 terabyte phone for around a little bit more than this device. I'm even kidding. You can get it even cheaper than this device. So of course, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, in the sense of frugality, is a lot better because you get more bang for your buck. So for my 1 month reality check, as I like to say on this channel, because apparently reality check is pretty popular on my channel, for whatever reason, I will have to say that the iPhone 17e is a very good phone for a majority of people out there. But is it for everyone? Of course not. Is it for the tech tubers? Definitely not. I have seen some tech tubers use this as their main phone, but I don't know. I guess they kind of personally like the device a lot more than the other ones, but a lot of the tech tubers do really love the Pros and the Pro Maxes, so I'm one of them. I'm going to stick with the Pro Maxes. I might even get a 17 Pro because I've never had a Pro before. And, well, if you look into it, the Pros and the Pro Max for the 17s are essentially the same, except the Pro Max has a way bigger battery. And by that, I think I mean like 700 more milliamps or something like that.